Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages or I don't know, notes or in the browser. Just have the keyboard on, and all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find this option here, no worries again, we have to tap on the three dots icon and the settings should appear right here. Of course you can tap on them, hold it and drag it to this panel, of course, to have much faster access. So let's tap on it and enter the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of the languages which we've previously added to our keyboard. Right now I've got only English, obviously. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So we've got a lot of options to choose from. And of course, all you have to do is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it, and I will pick a graphical language in order to show you the difference between the keyboards. So let me pick Assyrian, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. Usually languages have like 2 or 3 different keyboards, so you will be able to pick the one you like the most and simply tap on Done. And as you can see, the Assyrian language has been immediately applied, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see, here we've got actually 2 differences, so I did not pay much attention to that, but no worries, I will show you later on that there is a difference for sure. So first of all, the space bar is not empty anymore. We've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will work as a language key. So thanks to this we will be able to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not need like, I don't know, 4 or 5 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here from this tab we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove, so I'll pick Assyrian because I'm not really good at that. So after marking it, simply tap on this trash bin icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so it looks like it was at the very beginning of this video, so we can go back to the keyboard. And I've promised you that I will show you the changes. So the spacebar is right now empty, which means that we've got only one language and we cannot find the language key, so it means that we cannot switch between them. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.